Now that we've had this stunning cultural fest, let's dive back into the celebration of achievements. With great excitement, we invite Mr. Aban Samuel onto the stage to continue with the award ceremony.
Thank you, Shauri and Alham. A warm and pleasant good evening to one and all present here. I, Aban Samuel, will be your co-host for today, and I would like to thank each one of you for joining us on this special day. Without further ado, let us now celebrate the Monarchian stars who have turned challenges into stepping stones and dreams into milestones. These young achievers are a testament to the fact that where there is a will, there is always a way. Presenting the next category of honors is for the Star Performer Awards. I would like to request our school director, Mr. Rocky Fernandez, to kindly come on the stage to give away the awards. I may also request our secondary school vice principal, Ms. Madhu Uppal, to kindly accompany Rocky sir to the stage in giving away the awards. This award is conferred upon the students who exemplified outstanding proficiency in the field of art, dance, and music. They consistently engaged in events, showcased their creative talents with distinction, and contributed significantly to the school's prestige and acclaim. Beginning with the star performer in visual arts, we have Dishita Shopte from 9th, Shreyas Dvijaraj Sridas from grade 10, and Akriti Rana from grade 11. Please welcome the awardees with a huge round of applause. The star performers in music from grade 9, we have Samadrita and Brinda. From grade 10, we have Nandana Sri Lakshmi. And from grade 11, we have Ame Nilesh Kulkarni and Abhirav Jijal. The star performers in dance segment, from grade 9, we have Sandra Santosh Kumar. From grade 10, we have Lena Nair. And from grade 11, we have Anaga Aji. Dear audience, please welcome the awardees with a huge round of applause. Congratulations to the awardees. Thank you, students. Continuing with the Star Performer Awards in sports, from grade 9 we have Atharv Ajit Rathod. From grade 10 we have Girija Rajendra Chavan and Sarvesh Dhyaneshwar Patil. From grade 11 we have Lavya Ashish Gohil and Karthik Rathod. The star performers in robotics we have from grade 9 Rudra Srivastav. From grade 10 Nandana Sri Lakshmi. From grade 11, Rehan Badar, and from grade 12, Amir Maktoum. Congratulations to all the awardees. Thank you, students. Presenting the next category of honors, the Rising Star Award. The criteria for receiving this award is to gain a minimum of 10% increase in overall academic performance from term 1 to term 2. Please welcome our budding rising stars with a huge round of applause. And the award goes to, from grade 9, Samir Khusro, Sujal Sachin Dikshit, Dwani Damania, Gautam Arun, Guru Prasad Ganeshan, Ananya Shankar Chavan, Atharv Ajit Rathod, Vardhan Gupta, and Jala Tejushuniba Jairaj Singh. Dear audience, please give them a huge round of applause. Congratulations. Thank you, students. Continuing with the next set, Sana Siddika from grade 9, Shravan Koliyat, and Zafir Zabir Sheikh from grade 9. From grade 10, we have Mishal Muhammad, Niketana Cynthia, and Brinda Sudhagaran. From grade 11, we have Narayan Ranjit, Akriti Rana, and Azra Parvez Budie. Please welcome the awardees with a big round of applause. Thank you, students. I feel extremely delighted to take the ceremony ahead with the Subject Proficiency Award. And for that, I would like to request our middle school headmaster, Mr. Kapil Christopher, and our KG and primary school headmistress, Miss Evelyn Blossom, to join the dignitary on stage to give away the awards. Subject proficiency awards are given to students who score the highest marks in a specific subject in the entire grade. It is being given to the students from grade 9 to 12 for securing the highest marks in the core subjects during the academic session in their respective cohort. I am pleased to announce the winners of Subject Proficiency Award for the following subjects, starting with, for Hindi, we have Samaya Bhupendra Duwawar from grade 9, and from grade 10, we have Viral Mehul Pare. May I also request HOD Mr. Sarvesh Tiwari to join the stage. Moving further, for Arabic subject, we have Dina Abdul Qadir and Adidev Shivkumar Pillai from grade 9. From grade 10, we have Lamar Umar. May I request the HOD Ms. Tabusum to come onto the stage. Continuing further, for French subject from grade 9, we have Evelyn Daniel, and from grade 10, we have Ketul Kunal Shukla. May I request French HOD Mr. Vicky Tuteja to come onto the stage. For Malayalam from grade 9, we have Liba Sherin. I would like to invite the HOD Ms. Smita to come onto the stage. And finally, for Tamil, we have Kavya Darshini Rajkumar Parthiba from grade 9, and from grade 10, we have Darshana Bhaskaran. May I invite the HOD Ms. Punita to come onto the stage to bless the students and give away the awards. Congratulations students, thank you. Continuing with the subject IT and computer applications, from grade 9 we have Vinishka Mahindra Varman, from grade 10 we have Jay Ajay Sali and Ananya K. Jinesh. For computer applications from grade 10 we have Sai Prasad Devanand. May I also request Ms. Indra Dev Roy, HOD of IT, to come on the stage and give away the awards. May I also request Ms. Tamare to come onto the stage. Dear audience, please congratulate and wish our awardees with a huge round of applause. Congratulations everyone, thank you. I may now request the honorable dignitaries to kindly join the audience and enjoy the delightful award ceremony. Thanking you once again. Now I would like to invite Ms. Noshin Ali to continue with the next set of awards. Over to you, ma'am.
Mr. Ban. Good evening once again. Let me continue the Subject Proficiency Award for Qatar History. And due to the honors, I would like to invite on stage Academic Director of MIE-SPPU, Dr. Bimalendu Nath, and Grade 9 and 10 Academic Coordinator, Ms. Neetu Balan, to please join us on the stage. I would also request our Qatar History HOD, Ms. Priyanka Das, to please join us. From grade 9, we have Aditi Ravi, Dishita Sopti, Evelyn Daniel, Rudra Sivastava, Sahasra Penumati, Samaya Bhupendra Duvavar, and Yashika Mishra. I would like to mention that here that the question paper comes from the Ministry of Education, and 28 students from grade 9 have secured 100% in Qatar History exam. Dear parents, please give the students a big round of applause. Congratulations, students. Thank you. Next, we have Deena Abdul Qadir, Purvi Vikas Kumar Sukhadia, Tejas Mangesh Batle, Ved Bhuvendra Mehta, Adidev Sivakumar Pillai, Akshara Puvatham Chalil, Ibrahim Shaukat Ali, Kavya Darshini Rajkumar, and Nihita Ajit Kumar Nair. Congratulations, students. Thank you. Now we have Shivani Prasanna, Arjab Ghaire, Libo Sherin, Nabhan Sajan, Samadita Basu, Vinishka Mahendra Varman, Advika Babu, Alham Fatima, Nuha, Sana Siddiqa Medin Ahmed, Pranal Dabi, and Swasti Tandel. Congratulations, students. Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Priyanka. Our next category of award is the 100% attendance award, the ones who never missed a single day of school. And the awardees are, from grade 9 we have Chayan Raju Santosh Patil, Baladitya Nannapadeni, Michael Grill Melvin, Abel Daniel Siom, Shivani Prasanna. From grade 10 we have Jaren Anderson Austin and Jason Goldwyn Austin. And from grade 11 we have Azra Parvez Budiye. Consistency, commitment and discipline are the foundations of excellence. And today we take a moment to recognize those students who have exemplified these qualities by maintaining 100% attendance in the academic year 2024-25. In a world full of distractions and excuses, these students have shown up every single day, ready to learn, grow and give their best. Please give them a huge round of applause. Congratulations, students. Thank you. Thank you, dear dignitaries, for doing the honors. You may now join the audience and enjoy the fascinating award ceremony ahead. Let's give the students a big round of applause for their exceptional dedication. Your unwavering presence reflects your strong sense of responsibility, and we hope this commitment continues in every path you pursue. Thank you everyone for being such a wonderful audience. With this, I would like to take your leave and hand over the mic to my co-host to continue with the next segment of awards. Thank you. Over to Mr. Aban.
Thank you, Ms. Noshi. Presenting the next category of honors is for the Scholar Badge Achievers Award. I would like to invite Dr. Manish Kumar Verma, Academic Dean for Student Affairs at MIE SPP University, to kindly come onto the stage for honoring our awardees. May I also request Ms. Indra Dev Roy, Academic Coordinator for Grade 11 and 12, to kindly accompany sir to the stage in giving away the awards. The criteria for receiving this award is to score an aggregate of 90% and above in all the subjects. Starting with grade 9, we have Rudra Srivastava, Rehan Riaz Mulla, Evelyn Daniel, Aindri Ghosh, Dishita Sukti, Michael Gwill Melvin, Ranak Sudalemuttu, Sahasra Penumarti, Aditi Ravi, Samaya Bhupendra Duavar, and Ravni Malik. Please welcome the awardees with a huge round of applause. Congratulations to the winners. Thank you, students. Continuing with grade 9, we have Adidev Shivkumar Pillai, Nihita Ajit Kumar Nair, Akshara Puvatum Chalil, Karan Prakash Tilokani, Kavya Darshini Rajkumar, Arya Hemant Sapru, O.V. Shantanu Bhosle, Vinishka Mahindra Varman, Samadrita Basu, Alham Fatima, and Shaurya Virat Singh. Please welcome the awardees with a huge round of applause. Congratulations to the winners. Thank you, students. Up next, from grade 10, we have Viral Mehul Parekh, Bhavya Sharma, Advaya Oshen, Ganesh Harshit Balakrishnan, Anjali Girish Rao, Ananya K. Jinesh, Archit Pankaj Chingote. Please welcome the awardees with a huge round of applause. Congratulations, students. Continuing with the next set of awardees, we have Sarvesh Dhyaneshwar Patil, Jay Ajay Sali, Arati Subhash, Disha Sharma, Shaima Parvez, Nandana Sri Lakshmi, Prachi Pandey, Vidhi Sadar, Ramsha Suhail, Muhammad Adil, Navya Verma, and Ved Pritesh Patel. Dear audience, please join me in welcoming the awardees with a huge round of applause. Congratulations to the winners. Continuing with grade 10, we have Muhammad Fazal Sheikh, Tarun Shanmugaraja Meena, Jayati Vashisht, Fatima Hiba, Pranav Rupesh, Darshana Bhaskaran, Athav Gupta, Lamar Umar Ubabukar Abdu, Mahati Vimal, Simran Ghosh, Ketul Kunal Shukla, Aditya Anil, Chetan Nayuni Patruni, and Shreyas Dvijaraj Sridas. Dear audience, please welcome the awardees with a huge round of applause. Congratulations, dear students, on your achievement. I may now humbly request Mani sir and Miss Indira to kindly join the audience and enjoy the rest of the enthralling award ceremony. Thanking you once again. I would now like to invite our school principal, Miss Meenal Bakshi, to come onto the stage and honor our awardees. I would also like to request Miss Radhika Pradeep, Activity Coordinator for Secondary School, to accompany Principal Ma'am on stage to give away the awards. From grade 11, we have Adim Faizi, Pahel Mitesh Bhai Bhatti, Abdullah Arshad, Amay Nilesh Kulkarni, Emil Joseph Bibbins, Sneha Singh, Bibastu Das, Hardik Sukhnandan, Avni Sudesh, Gaushik Vetrivel, Anika Duggal, Kushal Hemal Shah, Pentakota Sai Chaitanya, and Sadia Yasmin. I request the audience to give a thunderous round of applause to the award recipients. Congratulations to all the awardees. Thank you, students. Continuing with grade 11, we have Nandini Haran, Vishwa Jignesh Trivedi, Akriti Rana, Dilu Mariam Jackson, Atmika Sankar, Humera Saud Wagu, Arya Verma, Avika Gaur, Chris Binu Joseph, Traya Viven, and Abhirav Jijit. We also have grade 12 awardees Adishri Lalit and Vanshi Shah. I request the audience to welcome these awardees with a huge round of applause. Congratulations, dear awardees. I may now request the honorable dignitaries to kindly join the audience and cherish the rest of the award ceremony. Thank you for blessing and bestowing the awards to the award winners from various categories. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you're doing, you will be successful. With this uplifting thought, I, Aban Samuel, take your leave from this exuberant evening. And now, I request Ms. Noshin Ali to kindly continue the rest of the ceremony. Thank you once again to all the guests, parents, students, and fellow colleagues for being a patient audience. Thank you once again. Over to you, ma'am.
Once again, a pleasant evening to one and all. DPS Monarch International School takes pride in shaping the young minds with its pragmatic vision and strategic mission. Yes, education with a difference is our motto. It's my pleasure to present the most awaited and the most coveted award of all. Yes, the moment has come to witness the Student of the Year for 2024 25 for grade 9 and grade 11. I request all the dignitaries along with the school key functionaries to kindly come on the stage to felicitate the stars of today's evening. The Student of the Year award recognizes a student who has made excellence a habit, excelling not only academically but also demonstrating outstanding character, leadership and service to the community. Before I announce the recipient of this prestigious award, I would like to highlight the qualities that set these students apart. These students have shown remarkable dedication, resilience, and a passion for learning. The Student of the Year is selected based on a combination of academic excellence, leadership abilities, innovation, and exemplary teamwork, and all-rounder in academics and co-curricular activities. I would request our chief guest of the evening, our school president, Mr. Yasir Nainar, to please announce the Student of the Year from grade 9.
This feels like Filmfare Awards. The Student of the Year for grade 9 is Aindri Ghosh. Correct pronunciation?
Thank you, sir. I request Aindri's parents to please join us on the stage. Let us give Aindri a thunderous round of applause for setting such an inspiring example. Dear Aindri, your journey reflects hard work, integrity, and dedication. We are proud of you and look forward to all the amazing things you will achieve in future. This budding Monakian has secured 1 gold and 3 silver medals at the World Scholars Cup Global Round, achieved 5 gold and 3 silver medals at the World Scholars Cup Yale Round, earned the title of top team at the intermediate level and an individual bronze medal at the World Mathematics Team Championship, attained senior diploma in Hindustani classical vocal with first class honors, received merit in Trinity Electronic Keyboard grade 6 examination, participated actively in Shantiniketan School SIS Polemic Challenge, clinched first prize as national champion and as a team and ranked 5th best speaker at the Qatar debate. Garnered 8 gold medals, 4 silver medals, team writing gold trophy, champion scholar trophy, top 5 team trophy and the World Scholars Cup Doha regional round. A big round of applause for Aindri. May your success inspire many more to follow the path of hard work and integrity. I would request our school president, Mr. Yasir Nainar, to please announce the Student of the Year from grade 11.
So 10 was already announced, Anaswara Anil. So grade 11 is Pahal Mitesh Bai Bati.
Thank you, sir. Please give a big round of applause to Pahal. I request Pahal's parents to kindly join us on the stage. Let's give Pahal a thunderous round of applause. This talented Monakian has secured the Best Speaker Award in Toastmasters for an outstanding speech, earned the AP Scholar with Honor Award, completed CS50's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python, conducted an independent research project with the head of department at Nirma University and ISRO, and authored 3 papers on electromagnetism, launched the Listening Eyes initiative at a dedicated event, achieved rank 20 in the Qatar Computing Programming Contest, QCPC, awarded Best Speaker in the Qatar Debate Secondary School League, received an honorable mention at Monarch MUN 2024, served as lead student organizer for the inaugural TEDx DPS Monarch International School, won a bronze medal and top teams award at the World Mathematics Team Championship, secured first place for innovative startup, supported by Cisco at TechFest 2025. A big round of applause for Pahal. May your success inspire many more to follow the path of hard work and integrity. Congratulations once again, and may you continue to rise and shine in all your future endeavors. Let's shower the Student of the Years with Round of applause for raising the bar of excellence. A heartfelt thanks to our dignitaries for doing the honors. You may kindly take your seats and join the audience to enjoy the rest of the awards ceremony. Congratulations to all the awards recipients. Thank you once again for being such a wonderful audience. With this, I would like to take your leave and hand over the mic to our wonderful MCs. Over to Shaurya and Alham.
Heartfelt congratulations to all our awardees on receiving such well-deserved recognition. Your hard work and dedication inspire us all.
Success is not a matter of chance, but the outcome of clear purpose, dedicated effort, thoughtful guidance, and skillful execution. We extend our heartfelt congratulations to all the award winners for their remarkable achievements. As we reach the conclusion of this grand ceremony, it is time to express our sincere gratitude to everyone who contributed to making this event a success.
We extend our heartfelt appreciation to our dignitaries, coordinators, teachers, parents, and my fellow Monarchians for their invaluable support in making the Students' Award ceremony a success. Congratulations once again to all the award winners. May your achievements inspire you to continue shining brightly in your journey of growth and wisdom. Thank you everyone. Have a wonderful day ahead.